y'all! Happy holiday season! Did you know that I'm about to have a holiday sale on my website? A holiday sale? Really?
Awesome! I've been looking for some Christmas present ideas.
Yes, but do I have to leave the house?
No, sirree, Bob. It's right on my website, seeholsherart.com.
Well, it's not a sale unless it's like 50% off. Is it 50% off? If it's not 50% off, I'm not even going to go look. I'm not even going to go look.
Well, yeah, it's 50% off. 50% off everything. All of my original paintings. 50% off just for you.
Well, Merry Christmas then!
Please remember to support your living artists this season and buy handmade crafts and gifts for your loved ones. They'll really appreciate it. And so will we.